Hello everyone. Shravana Healthcare Private Limited likes to wish all the wonderful women over there a happy Women's Day. On this occasion, I would like to say that always Shravana has recognized and identified the mothers of specially abled children who play wonders in their child's life, who fight the battle of bringing their child into the mainstream all alone many times. She plays multiple roles like a therapist, as a friend, as a sibling, as a playmate, and whatnot. On this occasion, I would like to request all the men over there to be supportive in her battle, which can make her win this. And I'm very proud to say that Shravana is blessed to have more than 70% of women professionals who are making wonders and being always enthusiastic and supportive in this service. And I'm very thankful to everyone. A very happy International Women's Day. Let's bring the change.